to be teaching you guys how to do top-down analysis. Okay, I'll be teaching you guys how to do top-down analysis. Some people have problems like understanding the market structure. That was what I was trying to explain yesterday, and the thing just went over. So what we are going to do is I'll go here. So the first thing is we'll go to trading view. I hope you guys can see trading view. So this is the home page of trading view, right? The next thing that I'll do is I'll go to the project. So when you go to project, you go to super chart. So when you go to super chart here, okay, so when you are on super chart, you are going to select the pair that you will be trading. Okay, so to select the pair that you are trading, first of all, you already know, go to coin market cap, right? Then we'll go to the trending section. So the trending section, you see the tokens that are currently listed on Binance, Bybit, and KuCoin. You make sure you select a coin that is listed on Binance and KuCoin or Bybit. So today we have these coins that are currently trending here. But what I'll do is I'll go to the top losers and top. Okay, so click on trending section. So these are the tokens that are currently on coin market cap that are trending. So yesterday we could see Tone. Okay, so the next thing that we'll do is we'll go to, let's just say we are going to use a coin like RND, so render token. So I'll click on render token. Let me share here for people to see. Let me share this one. Okay, I'll go to render token. Okay, I've come, right? Guys, let me try and share this place. Share this. So I selected render token. So what I'll do is I'll scroll down. So when you scroll down, they are going to tell you where the token is currently listed. And I'm saying that before you trade a coin, make sure it's listed on either, you can see the token is on Bybit, Coinbase, Binance, and OKX. So that means this is a legit coin. You can invest in it, and you can also use leverage. So the next thing for us to do is to look at the sentimental analysis, right? So the sentimental analysis is what is currently happening in the token inside, what people are currently talking about the token. So if people are saying positive news about the token, then that means it's going to go bullish or it will rise very soon, not 24 hours or sometimes even 48 hours. If people are saying this particular token is shitcoin, it's just a matter of time, they will start dumping it. But for us to know how this is going to happen, we are going to go to the news section, right? So when you scroll down to the news section, if you are seeing positive news about that particular token, then this is telling us that, oh, the coin is going to rise. But if people are talking negative things about that token, you see it falling in the next day or in the next 48 hours or 72 hours. So now that we know we are going to trade render token, and we can even see like it's trying to be bullish, it's in a bullish trend. So I'll go back to trading view. So let me just share trading view here. Okay, I'm coming. Let me share trading view. Okay, I'm sharing trading view. Let's share trading view. Okay, present. Go to trading view. Then we share here. Okay. So for us to do the top-down analysis, we'll search for RND token. So we go for RND.P. So you always add .P to your search to make sure you are selecting the right token. So when you add .P, ask yourself, is your exchange Binance, Bybit, Mexec, or OKX? If you are using Binance, make sure you select Binance. If you are using Bybit, you make sure you select Bybit. So what I'll do is I'll select Binance because I'm trading on Binance. So I'll just select Binance here. So we can all see like RND token is currently in a bullish trend in the 4-hour time frame. For us to do top-down analysis, we'll start from the weekly time frame. Okay, so we'll start from the weekly time frame, then we'll go down to the 4-hour time frame. So I'll go back to trading view here. Then what I'll do is I'll go to the time frame section. So this means that each candlestick have taken 4 hours to form, right? So I'm going to click here, then I'll scroll down to the weekly time frame. Okay, now the next thing is for me to reset the chart. So I'll reset it. So anytime you select a token and you are going to trade it, this is what you are supposed to do. You first do your fundamental analysis using coin market cap, then you come to the trading view and do your technical analysis. So with the technical analysis, we start with the weekly time frame and we go back to the then we go down to the 4-hour time frame to know the market direction and take the trade. So if we are looking at RND token in the weekly time frame, we can see like it's currently in a bullish market. We are currently in a bullish trend. So what I'll do is I'll go back to 1D. So when I say 1 week, I'm meaning like these candles that you have seen, each candle have taken 1 week to form. Each full candle that you are seeing here have taken 1 week to form. So what I'll do is I'll go back to the 1D time frame. So I'll just go lower to 1D time frame and look at the market structure. 1 week time frame is telling us that the market is bullish. 1D time frame is telling us that the market is also bullish. So the next thing that we'll do is we'll also go back to the 4-hour time frame, right? So let me just admit a lot of people have been waiting. Okay, so I was saying that when you are doing the technical analysis, the top-down analysis, you make sure you select the token using the 1 week time frame. Then after that, you come down to the someone is asking a question here. Please, you can ask your question, right? Someone is asking a question. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll go back to trading view, then I'll select 4-hour time frame, right? Okay, so we go back to the 4-hour time frame. So let's go to 4-hour time frame. So with the 4-hour time frame, I might not take a trade now because today is even Sunday, and we don't take trades on Sunday. So this is where the technical analysis comes in, right? You said the pay now. No, don't pay. I'm coming. No. The number is sorry, my friends. So what we are going to do next is we are going to draw our support and resistance zones. So for us to draw support and resistance, just looking at this place, this is a major support level. Okay, by any time that I'm sending a trade, I usually remove the support levels so that no one will see it. But if I'm doing my analysis, I'll always add them. Okay, so I'll add here too. Okay, so when I add here, the next thing is I'll go to the next resistance zone, which is up there. Now what we want to do is we can see the market is trying to go bearish on RND token. So we are thinking of shorting. So from Monday, if we are going to take a trade on RND token, we are going to be selling it, right? So if I'm going to enter the trade, I'll select the short position, or I'll click here. Then I'll go for short position. Then what I'll do is I'll select here. Okay, then I'll scroll down here, right? then I'll drag here. So our take profit will be the next support level because we are shortening. So we are targeting 1:3, right? Then our next support level at the resistance zone. So this is how we take the trades. So now I'll go to Binance and enter a short position. Okay, so this is how you do top-down analysis on the weekly, 4-hour, and 1G time frame. Okay, so you guys can start asking your questions if you have some. Okay. Hello, you said, please, if you have any question, you can start asking me. So I've just showed you guys how to do top-down analysis. Okay, you can use the mic and ask questions. Okay. Enoch, do you have any questions? Do you have any questions? I want you to ask me questions. Isaac,
Question for me. What I want to understand is the chart.
The chart. Yet, that's what I was trying to say. We have what we call technical analysis. This is just by using price history. Price history, what has happened over and over to predict the future. So it's not usually constant, because just looking at the chart here, you can see we are trying to see a bearish market starting. Do you get? So we are trying to see a bearish market starting here. You can even see the market push to the upside, couldn't make it, create a lower low, went again and came down. This is what is just trying to tell you, that the buyers are not in control anymore. Do you get it? So you guys can just ask any question. That I've realized that some people, when they are going to take a trade, they use all their margin. Like if you have $1,000 or $100 or $500 in your trading account, you are not supposed to use all that money to take a trade. It doesn't make sense. You are supposed to use like 5% of your capital, 5%, or you use 2% to take the trade. Because observe something here. This chart is not straightforward. It's not straightforward. So we can enter a long position here, then the market will come down, go up, come down, go up. So if you over leverage, before the market will go into profit, you have already lost all your capital. Do you get?
Yes.
So anytime you are going to take it, that's why I always say, let's use 3% on this position, let's use 2% on this position. Yeah. Okay. So Isaac, ask your question. Isaac. Chidira. Daniel. Kwame. Okay, Kwame, you have a question. Unmute your mic. Okay, unmute your mic and yeah, I can hear you. Okay, I get it. You are talking about the pin bars, right? You are talking about the pin bars. Okay. You know this is let me show you something. For here, something like some place like here. Have you seen here? This place is just trying to tell you that the sellers was pushing the market to the downside, but because there was not enough sellers there, the price push and reverse. That place is not that important. What is important is these full candles here, the morning star here, this particular place. These full candles, these two candles, that's where you place your support. Okay, that's where you'll be placing your support, not this pin bar. The pin bar is just price rejecting. Okay. So if you are going to add your support and resistance zones, always use the body of the candles. Okay. So Daniel, it's like you have a question.
Thank you so much.
You have a question, right? Okay. Yusuf. You say Yusuf. Yeah, you can ask your question. Okay. You said yeah. Be- okay. Let me explain for you. So what I'm trying to say that you see we have what we call support and we have what we call resistance. The support is the floor of your, let's say if you have your room, your zinc is the resistance, right? Your zinc or your ceiling is your resistance. Then we have the floor being your support. The support being your floor. So when you look at the current chart here, you can see we have this place being the support. The price have come there several times. Look at it, 1, 2. Have you seen? So when you scroll back, the same thing will happen again. So that place becomes your support where the price touches and bounce up. Okay. Then we'll go to the resistance. The resistance is where the price reaches, bounce and comes down. So if the price reaches here, bounce it like football. When you bounce football on the ground, it will hit the ground, the floor, rise up, come down again. Do you get? So that's the reason why I'm drawing these lines, to tell myself that okay, this is where the price came, hit it several times, so that place becomes the support level, then the zinc becomes the resistance zone. So when I'm drawing my lines, I'm going to look at a place where the price have touched several times. So that's the reason why I've just drawn the 3 lines. But if I'm going to take the trade, I'll remove all these things. Yeah, that's why I'm saying the resistance is where the price have reached several times and couldn't break it. That place becomes the resistance. Huh? Okay, let me just tell you this. Resistance becomes support when the price hit the resistance several times and break through it. A resistance can become support. You get, like the resistance can break through the support can break, like the price can break through the resistance several times and bounce on it to become support. Like this particular place was a resistance. You know that this third line, the third line was the one in the middle. It was once a resistance. You know that. Look at where the price came, went up here, came down again, went up, played around that place, came down again. Have you seen? The middle line becomes when the market was consolidating. it becomes the resistance. You get. So that's what I'm trying to explain for you. I'm trying to tell you that we have support and resistance. We have structure. So sometimes the price can break through the structure and the resistance becomes another support level. Economics, they call it supply and demand. I don't want to go there. Like economics, we call it supply and demand. I don't want to go there too. I'm just trying to make you understand that if you are going to take a trade, if you are at a resistance zone, you either wait for the market to break it or you just enter a short position if you have seen that the price have come there and hit it several times. Okay. You're welcome. So let's see, we have those who are over leveraging. Please don't do that. Don't over leverage. If you have $1,000, you are not supposed to use all the $1,000 on one trade. You can use like $100 or $50 to take the position, leaving a collateral of 900 USDT. Okay,